Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am starting a new series on web development. So let's go ahead and look at the top highlights for this series, what I have in plan for this series, what topics I am going to cover, and what we are going to cover in the next month or so. So let's look at the highlights. So this series will be completely geared towards beginners. For those who have no prior knowledge in web development, I would be starting completely from scratch. So if you have no knowledge in web development, you don't know anything about HTML, what CSS is, what JavaScript is, so it's definitely something you can start from. And I'll cover everything that I know in web development. So I'll take it from very basic, from a small empty file of HTML to advanced JavaScript, where we will write a project in JavaScript, a game in JavaScript, your portfolio page in JavaScript, and we will also write some Node.js server, or we can think about some more projects that we can write in other servers and other languages. That's maybe 1 or 2 months down the line. So these are the highlights of this series that I am planning right now. That's what I have in mind right now. So something to take, that it's completely from scratch. So even if you have no prior knowledge, you can go ahead and take this series and you are pretty much covered. So what are the topics that I am going to cover in this series? First of all, I have basics of HTML. So HTML is a language that we use to create a web page. So all the text that you see on a website is basically HTML. Then I have basic of CSS. So all the styles, different font colors, images, styles of images, animations, all those are CSS. So we'll cover basics of CSS. Then we'll cover basics of JavaScript. So JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity to your website, basically form inputs, login, adding some data to your website, all those good stuff. So that's handled by JavaScript. So we'll look into some basics of JavaScript. Then we'll do some projects, like we'll make a simple tic-tac-toe game, and then we'll do some other projects. Then we'll do basics of jQuery. jQuery is a library based on JavaScript. That's very popular library, so we'll look into jQuery. We will do some projects based on jQuery and JavaScript, like your portfolio page, where you can showcase your skills, what you have learned, what applications, websites you have built. That basically all the developers have a portfolio page. Then we'll revisit the roadmap again to see what we need to do. Either we need to go with some front-end frameworks, modern front-end frameworks, or we need to jump into some server-side technology. We can take a decision later on. Right now, that's what we have in plan. So yeah, let's go ahead and start our web development journey. So this is it for this one. I'll see you in a bit in the next one, where we start with our first website. I'm really excited for this one, so I'll see you in a bit. Thank you.